Alrighty. What is up, guys? What is up? Again, I am setting everything up right now, so bear with me. You guys are gonna see this for a second or two. Alrighty, it should be all good and working. Sure it is. Let's make sure we are good. Stream health, please. Stream is healthy. That's what it says. Stream is healthy. I don't know if it's healthy. I don't know why it's just lagging. Maybe that's just a line, hopefully. Or says poor. Why is it poor? Yeah, I gotta exit out some screens. Hopefully it all works, guys. I'm trying to try different things. Load hold. The Wi-Fi sucks. But guys, let's all stay positive and see what there is. How about that? Yo, Jack, how you doing, Jack? Please, Jack, tell me how's the lag? If there's any lag, please. I need to know if there's anything going on lag wise. Tell me, how do I look? How does it look? Jack, come on, give me a hand here, man. Feel like it's lagging, probably, incredibly. But anyways, guys, welcome to another live. It is Thursday, as promised. I'm gonna be doing these Tuesdays and Thursdays. The only reason I should not be doing these is because I don't know, something happened. But I'll let you guys know. That case and scenario. Good. My Wi-Fi is playing up a bit. Are you sure it's your Wi-Fi and it's not me? It could be me though. I'm sure it could be me. Like my Wi-Fi is playing up. I'm telling you, Australia in general, Tasmania, Australia, the Wi-Fi just in general is crap. Like when I say it's crap, it is crap. I don't think it's you. I think it could be just me. Period. Besides that, let me get the mic a bit closer to me. That way, maybe not that close. Maybe not that close either. But now, guys, let's see what's in the charts today. We're gonna set some key levels. Actually, let me just start scratch, right? You know, this is one of the most expensive Apple laptops, and I think it's just the Wi-Fi because I've been dealing with it for a hot minute here. The Wi-Fi has been crappy. I've been trying to call them, and I'm like, "Yo, fix my freaking Wi-Fi," you know? But I don't know. I honestly don't know. It's the company sucks. But overall, let's see what we can get going on. Let us see. Thank you, Jack. Well, thank you very much. Honestly, I'm looking for buys above here, at least just to take something right there. Like, for example, let's say we have a breakout, retest, reject off of this 38 tick, and then at least ride it all the way till this level right here. Almost 100 ticks. I'll be interested in doing that. Obviously, the ranges depend heavily on everything, even a downward. Like if we go up on the 4 hour, what does it look like? Ooh, my God. So we've had that. Everything's just like so close to that 1,000 again. Jesus. Everybody bought so much gold. Like even Australia, I remember when it was hitting 4.8, 4.9, almost 5,000 an ounce. People were like, "Oh, it's gonna keep going up. It's gonna keep going up." And you know what? There's a saying that goes, "Buy the rumor, sell the news." A lot of people, especially novice people, buy the news when you're supposed to sell the news. And then now I'm sure they're like wondering in their head, I wonder why it's at 4.1 when it was supposed to just go up and boom up, like everybody said. You bought the news. Supposed to sell the news. But tis. 4 hours, obviously, we're in a downward trend. Like, 4 hour trend, all body red. This one's the beginning of 4 hour. We could reach. Here's what the 1 hour looks like. Interesting. The 1 hour looks in. 30 minutes. Don't lag on me. No. Honestly, I think I'm gonna move my ranges because I'm not comfortable taking something that close to anything to support. I mean, you can obviously take this and write it down, but even this, there's so much support, support. Yeah. Even right here, support. Go bit up, support. Yeah, what up, Vicky? How you doing? Hope you're doing good. Seeing what the market is presenting us. I mean, remember, guys, it's also a heavy news day. Yesterday was a news day. Today's gonna be a news day, rolling out around 10:30 Australian time, Eastern time. So it's gonna be one of these heavy days that we might not even catch a move. We might just be stuck holding the bag. I'd be interested in gold sells. I'm doing good. Everybody, Jack is an experienced trader. He's been doing it for about 19 years. Jack, present yourself. Tell him how experienced you are. 19 years trading, huh? That's a lot of experience. All right, maybe I'm just kidding there. He doesn't have 19 years of experience. Maybe I'll just hold the microphone. Maybe I'll just hold the mic. Hold the mic. He's only 19 years old, and he had a massive run actually a couple months ago. And I met him in Bali actually. Him and I were roommates in Bali during our time in Bali, with Dan's trading retreat, and that's how we met. We became bros since day one. Day one. Day one of birth. Jack came out holding a laptop saying, I want to trade. Honestly, NASDAQ sells is very possible. I mean, shit, the way the market's been acting up lately, you probably just hit sell and just make money. What's the 30-minute presenting like? Oh, I sometimes hate the fact that I miss Asian market because I prefer to trade Asia over London because it's just passing the New York stage. Asia wakes up, seeing what happens, what Trump said, what the news, what the markets, what the what the you know, like when the reports come out, any news come out, any red folder come out, Asia time, we're sleeping, right? And then we wake up and they're like, oh my God, look at this move. And it's more like there's momentum to the move because you're seeing it happening and it's reacting, right? So there's more of a push to go to the direction that it was going, right? But London is just kind of stagnant. It's just kind of like, we're between London and New York. What do we do? Oh, I don't know. We'll just wait. Yay, wait. 1 hour rejected. 4 hour. 2 hours in London today, though. Locked out till tomorrow, but normally it's good. In Asia, I mean. Oh, in Asia. 2 L's in Asia. What'd you trade? Gold or NASDAQ? You gotta tell me what you trade. And what time frame in what was the time frame in well, Australia time that you take that trade? Let's see, assuming you took something around here. Yeah, I wouldn't in NASDAQ I wouldn't have taken anything on the done a wick fill. You know, barely up one gold 10-15. 15. Did you hit buy? I'm assuming you hit buy, right? Oh wait, 10-15. How did you lose money on that? Let's see. Oh, maybe you set okay. You probably set your support right there, tagged you in, then rejected back down, stopped you, and then it just blew up. I don't know, Jack. I wouldn't have taken that one. Type 1 gold. I wouldn't have taken that one. 10-15. And type 2 on NQ 10 a.m. Is your time zone the same as my time zone, Brisbane time? That's a good question. Because maybe I'm looking at it and I got to remember that you're ahead an hour if it's New South Wales, I think. Because right now, Jack, it's 4:38 p.m. So what time is it for you right now down there? That's the question. Yeah, bottom tick, then stop. Okay. And type 2 on NQ 10:15. 10? No. NQ at 10 a.m. 10 a.m. Type 2. Oh, type 2 sell on NQ. Am I right? Type 2 sell on NQ? Assuming it was a type 2 sell on NQ. Yeah. That one would have been a bugger. If it was a type 2 on NQ, you would have boom, engulfing, technically. Retest, entered, and then reverse. Wow. That would have sucked. I would have been mad at that one. Nah, it's alright, bro. It's not you, it's probably me. That's the same thing I tell all the women in my life. It's not you, it's me. Actually, that's what they tell me, I think. I'll probably exit out of all this. That way, maybe less pages, less pages, less things that it's dragging. Maybe it'll help if I do that. Empty my trash. Yes, delete trash. Oop, bye bye. Ooh, what is that? Do you see that? Oh, that's notes. Oh, would you look at that? Oh, close. Hmm. I don't know, Jack. That type 2 cell, I get where you were going. I really do get where you're going with that one. You know what I've been getting, what I've been doing? You know, the higher time frame means higher confirmation, right? And we know this, Jack. And everybody else, I think, knows this too. The higher the time frame, the higher confirmation, the higher probability it is. So what I've been doing lately is, let's assume, let me mark this out that way I don't lose it. Boom, right there. That's where you took that trade. Not that far. I'll just do like that. Up, that way now. Boom. All right. What I've been doing is that I have been looking at the 30-minute, especially to check confirmation. If it hasn't confirmed on the 30-minute, then I won't take it. If it's like a type 1 and is like really juicy, then I'll take it. But at the same time, like I'm depending a lot on the 30-minute for confirmation because I'm tired of losing, you know. And I think that's when it started flipping for me, is when I started confirming. And yeah, maybe I miss out on some bangers that other people take on the Discord, but at the same time I'm losing less because I'm always looking at the 30-minute and I'm like, all right, is this confirmed? Yes. Okay, boom, let's go in on the 15 and then go from there. And it's working out so far for me because I'm choosing more patience. Can we be up here? I really want to be up here so I can take a trade up. Everybody get down. I'm not sweating. See, I will not trade in this zone at all. I don't think. What do you think, Jack? Would you trade in the zone? I'd probably take partials and let it rip up that zone. But after that, I'd probably just let it be. I don't like that there. I'm gonna put it right there. I get you. Closing out of a lot of shit. That way, maybe the Wi-Fi works better because it's not doing a lot. You know, that's what I'm trying to think. Gold 4 hour. Honestly, I was looking at it and it does look like a type 2. You know what, Jack? Let's just right now, you and me, press press buy, and then let's just go heavy. I mean, 10 credits as much as I could do. Let's just go 10 credits right now. Boom, and let's just leave it there. You know what? My Wi-Fi, there he goes. It shows up. Boom. We'll just do it. How about that? We'll just go in. Just leave it. Come back in about 5 hours. See if we got tagged in, and then we'll put stop loss like up here. Limit sell, 5, and then we'll take partials there and let the rest rip. Yeah, they take the 4 hour flip. Honestly, that would probably be like, it wouldn't be that bad. It'd take like, so what time is it right now? Be 8. Then it'd be 12. Then it'd be 4. Yeah, I'd have to sell at 4, which is fine because I wake up at 4 for my construction job anyways. So for me, there's no problem in taking a trade on the 4 hour and then waking up at 4 and then selling it there. Yeah, I might just do that overnight. See if it plays out. You know what? Let me see. Just for shits and giggles, guys, I might just do that with one credit. One credit just for shits and giggles. Oh my god, that's $542 on one credit. That's insane. Watch that play out now. Yo, for real. Imagine it plays out. Why the type 2 is more accurate than a type 1? I've always made more off a type 1 than a type 2, in my opinion. Like if I go through my journal, I'll see more wins on a type 1 than a type 2. Because a type 1 is a breakout. You're already going with momentum towards the direction. A type 2 is just bounce and pull away, but at the same time it could just come down after retest and rejects, and it could easily just flip. It could have just wanted to grab more liquidity on that flip, and then just stuck with holding the bag. But at the same time, it just depends. In this choppy market where anything can happen, a type 2 for me is just one of those that I want to stay out of, really, because it is such a, the market right now. It's just not in my favor. Imagine it does play out, Jack. Oh, dude. But I don't know. Let's see, guys. I don't know. Actually, my internet's good. I'm actually watching the screen right now, and I'm not freezing or anything. I'm actually on point. Let me see. I'm checking something. I'm not. Oh, this is great, guys. I'm not freezing. It's not me. It's you. Ha! It's you. Anybody who's having Wi-Fi issues, it's you. Maybe honestly, in all opinion, it was probably just because I had those other apps and all the other applications open, and I just needed to exit out because my Wi-Fi was like draining all that information probably, and it was like, I'll quit Safari now. It's gonna go extra fast. I mean, look at this, guys. It's gonna go extra fast now that I deleted everything. Why am I in the 4 hour time frame? Let me go back to the. It would be an interesting play though. I'm not even lying. I might put a credit, one contract, one credit, one contract in there just to see how it pans out, and then tomorrow, um, um, and then just see how it pans out. Jack, do you want to do it with me? One contract, one micro contract, mind you, one micro contract. We go in with one micro contract, and then we just wake up at 4, and then we sell. For those asking, that was my roommate. if anybody was asking. Oops. The hell did I do here? Oh, you bloody mother. There you go. Why futures, not CFDs? Well, I'm American, and American citizens cannot trade CFDs because of something bureaucratic. I don't even know. Don't even know how to explain it to you. Oh, you're locked out. Wait, are you locked out for the entire session or for the entire 24 hours? How do you have it? I don't get locked out. I have great discipline, so if I don't want to take a trade, I just done. So I haven't programmed it to. I'm kidding, bro. My discipline is still in the works. I'm getting better every day. Um, ooh, damn. Are you guys gonna make a move or anything? Like, there's no volume. Look at that volume. Oh my god, guys, this session is. I mean, it's not even London yet, so we got 9 minutes. Hopefully, it picks up because, guys, only 845 contracts on gold. Until Asia tomorrow. Oh, buddy. I don't even know what the hell's going on here. Like, look at this. Tiny little candles, long ass wicks. See what on the 30 looks like. Yeah, fuck that. I would be interested in a sell. Like, I mean, look at that. Right there, all the way down there. But, I mean, I don't think it's going to happen right now. All I'm saying is that I'd be interested in sell, and I'd be interested. Jack, tell me something. Would you trade in this zone? I wanna genuinely know your opinion. Would you trade in this zone? Yeah or no? I don't think so because you have like, all right, pretend like it's just next to each other, stagnant. It's just green, green, well, barely a green, and then red. So it's almost like barcode choppy type of deal going on there. I don't know. I don't think I would. I think I get stopped out. I don't know. You tell me. I wouldn't. I don't think I would. Yeah, me either. Well, apparently, I'm not trading until it clears out this entire zone. So, guys, it was a good stream. Thank you guys for coming. Have a no, I'm kidding. I'm here for a little bit. I'm here for a good time, not a long time, but a good time. I'm gonna leave this on the side because I am curious on what the 4 hour close is like or does, and maybe I'd be interested in taking like one contract, just leave it there overnight. I wake up with like 500,000 million billion dollars. And I'm like, I'm rich. I'm rich. First thing I'm doing, I'm flying Jack. I'm flying you over, Jack. We're gonna celebrate. We're gonna go to a nice restaurant up here. Yeah, I know. NQ is horrible. Gold volume is horrible. Just a lot of news too coming out soon though. It could be why another reason why it's a bit affecting it too. Maybe. Alrighty, guys. I am going to the restroom real quick. So, in the meantime, Jack, please keep all 3 followers entertained. One of them being. Oh, wait. One of them being you. Oh, wait. No, there's 6. Hooray. Welcome to the other 3 people that suddenly joined. This is Rad Trades reporting live on one of the lowest volumes currently. It's a sad moment for the volumes. It's a sad moment for Asia pre-market traders. I mean, London pre-market traders. We're doing our best here, trying to make it live. Jack, my boy, is online to keep you guys company as I go to the loo. In the meantime, I shall turn one of these beautiful lights on. I'll be right back. I forgot the mic was off. Oh no, guys, what happened? I was gone for like 2 seconds, and now we dropped down to three. Two! Two viewers. It's alright. People come and go in life, as they say. But, Jesus, I don't know, guys. This might be one of those streams that it's kind of cooked. I really hope not. Like, I really hope the stream is not cooked because of people not wanting to trade these markets. I wouldn't blame people really for not wanting to trade these markets though. Like right now it's a bit choppy. Right now it's a bit I don't even know what's going on right now with the markets. I mean, well, I do. It's just uh, patience is key. Discipline equals freedom. And that's what I'm trying to tell you guys. Discipline. I mean, look, I haven't taken well, it's on my story. I'm not gonna show you guys now because that means pulling up another screen and then the Wi-Fi might cut out and then but yeah, it's on my story. I actually took a picture of it. Um Discipline equals freedom. I show that I haven't taken a single trade this week. Is it sad? Yes. Have I made any money this week from trading? No. So it's sad, but at the same time, it's discipline. Not every week is going to be a green week. But I'll tell you what's better is a week with no trades over a week that's red. I'll tell you that. It's better to have a red week. I mean, no. It's better to have a green week or a empty week of no trades than a red week. That's way better. Way better. Yeah, dude. The 15 is just it's just ugly. Like let me see what it looks like right now. I mean, look how ugly that 15 is. It's the slowest 15 I've ever seen. It's like just the slowest 15. Look at that. Just like up, down, turn around, up, down, turn around. I don't know, dude. I don't. What is that on the 30? Hmm. Pushing. Jack's like, I want to take it. I want to take it. Mm. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. Why? I wouldn't take it. One reason. You got barcode patterns right here to our left, meaning that it could be a conflicting zone or a conflicting territory, meaning that it could just lead us to get chopped up, or it's a consolidating state. I mean, look at that. Consolidated there for a second. 1 hour looks good, but I don't think I can. Let me see that 1 hour. Let me see that 1 hour, Jack. An hour does look good, Jack. Hmm. Does look good. But you know what's the thing about the 1 hour? It could start off good, but then it could just wick down to retest, and then we're all cooked. That's why I don't. Let me see this real quick. Ugh. On the 15, it barely broke out, though. Barely broke out. Ugh. No. And the great Jack was right. Yo, it's reversing. You imagine it just dumps? I'd be like, ah, I was right. Oh no. What is it? You know what, guys? I'm happy I didn't take that. Honestly, it's my rules. I mean, from here to here without it stopping, it's overextended in my opinion. And with it having so many wiki candles on the 15-minute, I'm all right with that. But just out of curiosity, because I'm always curious, and curiosity never killed the cat. Even though the story goes curiosity did kill the cat, that's a lie. That's a myth to keep you in the system of things and trapped in the matrix because they don't want you to be curious about what it feels like to be rich. See, I know what it's like to be rich because my name's already Rich. See how many ticks did it pop? 86 tick. I'm gonna. Why is this so big? What happened? Out of curiosity, how many? Oh, bye. 47. Oh wait, no, it's less. 35. It would have been only 35. That would have been a good 2 to 1. But I'm all good. I'm happy. Barcode patterns to the left. I prefer not to. I want to get better at just writing things, Jack. I want to get better at just writing it up and you know, selling partials 80% and then just letting it ride for a bit until it touches TP or sells out. All right, guys. See what happens here, guys. Jack, are you still there? Oh, Vicky? Hey? Anybody? That's all right. What do you mean the money on the screen? Oh yeah, it is hard when you see the money on the screen. Mm. So I'm trying to drink more water per day, so I think I'm at. Give me a second. There's a bug in my water. Come on, little buddy, get out. He's still in there. There's a bug in my water. Ah! I think he's out. I think he's out. No, he's still in. What the hell is that? All right. Anyways, I'll have to do it later. But I like confirmation on multiple time frames that it's confirmed, confirmed. If in the 15-minute I don't feel like confirmed, then I move up to the 30-minute. The 30-minute I'm struggling to see something, then I try to move on to 1 hour, but I try not to take trades too much off of the 1 hour. I'm happy with the 30-minute being my max taking trades because usually with the 1 hour, you'll want to naturally have a pool, like a wick. And in the beginning, yeah, you might bump up, right? But then it wants to pull. So I mean, what's to say that in the first minute, yeah, you made money, but then obviously you want to see, and then it just reverses on you and it pops you back in the ass, you know? But I don't know, like it's doing right now, actually, reversing completely. So that's NQ. Let's see what gold's. Yeah, gold is just being gold. I got a song in my head. I can't get it out of my head. I've been scared of dentists and the dark. Pretty girls and pretty girls and starting conversations. I don't. I can't remember really how it goes really, but something like that. Oh, is that what it's called? Ripped. Yes, you're right. Lately, I've been dun, 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 dun. I want to try to play music. Jack, you're gonna be the person to tell me because I've been trying to play music in the background. That way, at least everybody has music and it's just not silent. So please tell me if this is gonna cause it to go slow, if it lags more, or tell me. Apparently, it's lagging already. I mean, look at this. I gotta get me a better Wi-Fi. All right, tell me. What do we want? Cafe Havana or Summer Afro House? I think you could get copy copyrighted depending on the song. Hmm. Copyrighted. What does that mean exactly? Teach me exactly what does that mean? Does that mean that it doesn't get pushed out? Is that what it means? It doesn't get pushed out to new people because of that? Or does that mean I can't monetize it? Because right now I'm not looking to monetize anything, really. I'm just looking to build a community that I could teach traders and help them and build, build the community, you know? So explain to me copyrighted, please. Before I click on something and then I get copyrighted. I gave my Derby an extra 15 horsepower. I want one of those bikes. That's a pretty good. In the meantime, before I press play to anything, I'm gonna look at the charts just in case I could get copyrighted by looking at something. Well, the volume on gold is A1, baby. This is exactly what we want. I want gold to be 1.83K volume at 5 p.m. London time. This is exactly what I want. Yes. I think it doesn't get pushed out because it's using other people's videos. Greetings from some Somaliland. Somaliland. Are you from Somalia? Is that what it means? Somalia. Non-copyrighted music. Try that. Oh, chill lo-fi mix. I love chill lo-fi mix. So chill lo-fi. Are you sure chill lo-fi is not copyrighted? I thought it would be copyrighted. If it's not copyrighted, I love chill lo-fi mix. I'll play that shit all day long. Where the fuck is it at? Okay, there we go. Ooh, 90s chill lo-fi mix. Study music, lo-fi, rain chill, hop beats. Dude, I'm telling you, I can't wait till I see a city that's this type of color, neon lights and blue and whatnot. Before I press play, please tell me if you're for sure. Chill lo-fi beat mix. Summer. Chill lo-fi hip hop beats. Lo-fi radio. Make you feel positive. 1 a.m. study session. 133 million views? Yo. Alright, I'm gonna go based on views. 12, 5, 24, 33. I do like the chill though. Mhm. I'll probably choose the 1 a.m. study. See if it works. Bring your ideas to life. Yeah. Alrighty, guys. Does it sound good? You guys hear it? Is it? Sam always uses that top one, but I'm not sure which ones are or not. Is still lo-fi music on copyrighted? Hmm. You say he uses the top one? So what? This one chill lo-fi mix? I'll probably put. But am I freezing or am I good? That's the question. Am I freezing? Am I good? All right, sweet. I'm good. Perfect. So I get to listen to some chill music finally. It's been kind of, I'm not gonna say depressing because I got all of you guys, but it's been kind of sad without any music. At least I know now I can play some chill lo-fi music and it works out. Wow, the volume, guys. Well, guys, I mean, at least I'm learning little by little. Because I can't do. But honestly, guys, I think this session is pretty much cooked. Um, damn. You see how much it went all the way down, bro? We would have been cooked. I mean, look how much it went down and retested. Eee. Definitely would have been cooked on that one. What is it? 1K volume. I'm gonna push now, I guess. Are you ready to push? Yeah, we would for sure have gone. Give one last candle, guys. See what happens. At least that would have given me 1 hour on stream. So, obviously I would have liked more. But the volume, guys, is just really, really, really horrible. And I'm not feeling to be stuck on this pattern. I mean, like I said, guys, I prefer to not take a trade than to try to force the trade and be on red. It's just the way it is, guys. I mean, 'Gold is trying to break out. Four-hour type 2 on the practice account. On what? On NQ or on gold? 4-hour type 2 on the practice account. Let's see. On NQ? That does look pretty. I'm not gonna lie. That 4-hour flip look really like, I'm not even lying. Like, oh, that does look nice. And you keep up right there, bounce it. Oh, that looks so good. Oh, that would be like a Tory Trades long play, like a swing trade right there. Like hours. Jesus, I know, I see it, I see it, I see it, bro. I see it. I don't oh, fudge. What would be my stop loss? I mean, assuming that it already retested, right? If that was the 15-minute, would be a full part. Yeah. If it was the 15-minute, it would be a good trade. 315. 315. It already wicked down. I'm happy with that wick. 315. I feel like you're forcing me to do this. Nah, I'm kidding. I'm not gonna make you feel bad when I blow my account. And I'm like, Doc. You know what's the thing? I don't like trading for so long period of times. And the reason is, sorry. The reason is I want to live life. If I trade a 4-hour candle, then by God, that means I'm going to be there looking at that damn candle for damn near 4 hours. And maybe not looking at it, but I'll be like looking at my phone just. And it'll be in the back of my brain. That's why I love like the scalping day trading aspect of it, because you're like 15, 30 minute bing bang out. You know, like a TV show is like boom boom chow. The 15 is pretty ugly, would want to pull back, then maybe a type 2 backup. You know what, Jack? Stop influencing me. Bad habit. Which strategy? Suhei. Which strategy, Suhei? His strategy trading the 4-hour? I don't know. I don't trade the 4-hour. I trade the 15, 30 minute. And then I confirm with the higher time frames. My strategy win rate is about 75. Well, our strategy, Jack's too. Jack's strategy, my strategy, Dan's strategy. Well, you can put it at 70, between 70 to 80% win rate. So I'd say between 70 and 80% win rate. You can't really go that bad with this strategy. Plus, it gives you peace of mind because after that 30-minute, then you close out of it, and then you just, and then you just, then you're done for the day. If you go on a 4-hour, then you're gonna have that in the back of your mind. See, I would use that as confirmation. I would use a 4-hour as confirmation that it's going up. So yeah, is it confirming that we're going up? Yes, but at the same time, on the 4-hour, let me pull this back up. We still got 2 hours left. I mean, what's the likelihood of it reversing? I mean, you got 2 hours, a lot. Hmm. If nothing massive starts happening, like I see volume picking up finally in oil. I mean, not oil, gold. I see volumes starting to pick up in gold finally. Nasdaq. I'm interested. Am I interested? Hold up. I don't know. If it closes 30 minutes, I'm interested in taking a trade right here. We have to be a good close, like a really solid close. or at least small candles overextended. Yeah, that candle's overextended. I'd be looking for a small body red, and then the next candle I'll be looking to, get in on the next candle. If this closes the way I want it to close, which is a breakout, and there's a small body red or small green body, then I'll go in on this. So we'll see. Oh no, it's rejecting last 3 minutes. Hooray! Oh yay! 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 If anyone likes basketball here, the Knicks one. Yeah, guys, I think this session cooked for me. It's probably gonna be the end. 4 minutes for an hour. Wait, no, I started at 4:25, so I have been an hour. Yes, I made. But we'll see, guys. I mean, every day is not gonna be, like I said, a winning day or a trading day. It's just discipline, guys. Don't force a trade just to get in a trade. Yeah, Jack. So hopefully tomorrow there's something. And if there's nothing tomorrow, then guess what? There's another day. There's always another week. Unless the world ends and then there's no more weeks. But at the same time, guys, just trade patiently. That's all, guys. Just trade patiently. Be happy. I could take this level out already. There's nothing to trade on this level. Overextended because I don't want to trade in that small little distance. Hey guys, just relax. You don't have to trade every day. Discipline equals freedom. At the same time, patience is success. If it does what I want it to do, like eventually, even if it's in like 30 minutes, 45 minutes, I might be interested in taking something like that. If it's like a breakout small body red, or if there's a red candle that prints out right now next to it, then it breaks out, then a retest reject, then I'd be interested in taking something like that. Up. So we'll see, guys. I'll keep you guys updated, but we got 55 seconds. So if anybody has any questions right now, it's the moment that you could go and say it. Guys, it was a pleasure having you guys on in the stream again. Next stream is going to be Tuesday of next week, as I'm doing Tuesdays and Thursdays officially starting at 4:30, 4:45, depending on the timing. But 4:30, 4:45 is when I will start getting on every Tuesday and Thursday. In the future, I will be doing more coaching. Like I said, guys, I'll get more time in my hands, and I'll want to do more coaching, more one-on-ones, and that's different. So that'll be on the Discord. If you're not on the Discord, please join. It's on the Rad Trades. You can find it under the link on my Instagram bio. Besides that, guys, thank you so much for coming. It was a pleasure having you guys all out. Jack, thank you for being here. Appreciate you, my friend. And everybody else, Vicky, Suhei, and whoever were the other 6 randoms. Thank you. Cheers, and have a beautiful rest of your Thursday.